Hi all, here we have a portable sawmill. Looks like it's all there. It's only just come today, so I thought I was going to assemble it, but I'm going to show you this is the manual. I don't know if you can make that out properly, but it is very smudgy. And this is not because it's in focus, but so I thought I'd do a video on assembling one of these things, because this isn't the best. That's it really. You get your parts. That's the first page. Hold on. Really, look how small. And that's not out of. Is that focused? Look at that. I mean, that's not the best pictures, is it? Okay, so yeah, what's it? Okay, attach the portable sawmill to your chainsaw to create portable mill. Anyway, there you go. So I might have a go at creating or building this, doing step by step. Oh boy, I'll just do a part and show you what to do. First step, remove all the cling film, even on the slides. Okay, so that's one section. This is the next one with this in between, with the bolts going through as well. Okay, this is the chainsaw guard. So, right, two of the bolts go through. Don't tighten them up because this will grip, I think, the blade as it comes through. That's your chainsaw guard at the end, so your blade will come straight through there, as far as I know. Both were just left loose. Funny, because they got nuts on, and yet they got pre-nuts underneath. Okay, with this, looks like the slides are facing on the inside. So then, according to the drawings, if I can make out, I've attached the adjuster bar with the U-bolt, like that, and two using the tool provided, that one there. Okay. Go. That's going to go on there. Slide that through. It's a bit, I don't know why it's uneven. I think they haven't cut it properly. Okay, a couple of washers. That's not been cut properly. Okay, oh, there's two washers on there. Not, they haven't been, do you know what I mean? They haven't been. And that's it, just tighten these up now. That's, and so you'll adjust these for your slides for your, I think it's the depth of the wood that you're going to cut. So I'm just going to just tweak it up just to keep it in place. Okay. Right. Oh, that's a bit tight. Yeah, it's a bit tight. I need to get a spanner on that just to prise that apart a bit. Oh yeah. So this looks like an adjuster bar with two. It's only got two nuts and bolts, which will fit anyway. That's all you've got. Just show you. So we've done that. And the slides on. Same with that. Right. Let's have a gander now at these rails and see how they fit. I'll come back to you in a sec. I'm going to leave that on there. I presume that will go wherever you want it to go. So, but it just seems a little bit weird unless you've got steppers on it. This is
go underneath.
I don't know. This is. I'm not being funny. It's not rubbish. It's awful. It's all blurred. I thought it was my eyesight. So I'm trying to figure out what if that is.
Photocopied.
You know what I mean? You can't tell if it's got a. This is a support bar as well. It's got to be the support bar, so I'm guessing. So you got
got the tie bar.
there, yeah. Okay, I'll carry on. We'll have a little play. So on that centre bar, you've got your handle, which you've got to push along the wood. You've got a plate which runs and holds this rail there, and this is a section in the middle, which is just a support plate. So you want to put a nut in that, just an ordinary one with a lock washer, and on the end of here you just want a normal washer with a hex, because that's going to be undone so you can move this sideways for adjustment. That's going to be adjustment. I'm not too sure about this end at the moment. Yeah, that's going to be adjustment, so they need adjusting. And I think we're out of hex bolts now, so that should be right. So standard on them. This is, some of them haven't even got this on. This is just a protection for your eyes, I suppose. And I'll show you a sec when we're finished. Okay, I can't see any more bits. I've got 2 nuts, 4 washers. These are the tools you get with it, and these are hex bolts, and these are because you need to loosen them to adjust the whole frame. That's a cat, is it? These have got lock washers underneath, and so is that one, because they're going to be fixed. And then this is movable, so that's got to be adjustable. These have got to be adjustable. So that's it, I think. I've done everything else. How's it move? Yeah. Well, you just, when you adjust it, you put it on the tree, and then when you've all lined it up, and you've got the tree actually sitting in between here, the round log through here, slide over the top.
Where's the chainsaw go?
Chainsaw goes through here, which is there, which will be, your engine part will be here, and your main part, and then because you have to adjust it for the size of your chainsaw, then the other end of the chainsaw comes through here, and these 2 pieces of metal will bolt, and then your blade, not touching this, of course, that would be silly, will be about here. Your blade will come about here, leave it about 1 inch or so. That's a guard. And then when you clamp this down, which is, these are non-fixed, these have got nuts on the bottom, so you just spanner them down, and that'll grip your chainsaw blade, which is, it's not the actual blade, it's not the teeth, it's the blade will be clamped by that. The blade will be clamped by this one here, and then your engine will be here, and that's it. This is your handle for sliding across. We're going to have a go at this the weekend, because it's going to be fun. But I cannot see where the rest goes. These must be spares, because there's nothing else left. This is just...
You've got to put some washers on something.
No, all got washers on everywhere. Oh no, there I might have washers on there. 1, 2. Ah, there we go. Yeah, I've got 2 washers to go on here. So you get 2 spare washers and then 2 spare nuts. And that's it. That's assembling. Yeah, I've got to tighten them. That's assembling a, they call them Alaskan sawmills, but I didn't call them. No assembly. And this one is, I saw it, a portable sawmill. That's all it is. This is the 36-inch one. And that's it. Thanks very much for watching. How much? 63 quid. I'll put a link in the description down below, and you'll need to watch this because you can't understand that, honestly. It's alright, I just looked at that picture mainly and sussed it out. Okay, thanks very much for watching. If you enjoyed the vid, please give it a thumbs up. Like and subscribe over here. Up and coming videos over this end. Take care, and we'll catch you in the next vid. Bye.